Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ScarAway Gel is probably one of the most sought-after scar treatment products on the market, and for good reason. This advanced scar gel is formulated with innovative ingredients to effectively minimize the appearance of scars, whether they're from surgery, accidents, or acne. In this video, we'll put Scaraway Advanced Scar Gel to the test, exploring its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your scar concerns. Number 5. ScarAway Silicone Gel. This innovative silicone gel helps improve the appearance of scars. It's designed to reduce size, color, and texture, leaving your skin looking smoother and healthier. Whether from injury, surgery, or burns, it effectively addresses hypertrophic and keloid scars. It's a non-surgical solution for a wide range of scar types. It utilizes advanced medical-grade silicone, the #1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors. This clinically proven technology helps flatten and fade scars. This 100% medical-grade gel alleviates redness, itching, and discomfort. Its smooth, non-greasy formula is gentle enough for sensitive skin and children. Apply it twice daily for optimal results. It's easy to use on hard-to-reach areas and can be covered with makeup or sunscreen. You'll start seeing improvements in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. With consistent use, even old scars can become less noticeable and blend seamlessly with your skin. What we like? It's great for treating large areas. This option is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of scars. If you need a larger quantity for extensive scar treatment, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The gel is improving the appearance of the scar already. It has faded and scar tissue is way less noticeable. It goes on clear, I did not notice a smell. It seems to rest on the skin in a sort of filmy layer that you can see shine in the light sometimes. Number 4. ScarAway Silicone Gel. This innovative silicone gel helps improve the appearance of scars. It's designed to reduce size, color, and texture, leaving your skin looking smoother and healthier. Whether from injury, surgery, or burns, it effectively treats hypertrophic and keloid scars. It's a non-surgical option for a wide range of scar types. It utilizes advanced medical-grade silicone, the #1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors. This clinically proven formula helps to flatten and soften scars. This 100% medical-grade gel soothes redness, itching, and discomfort. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and even suitable for children. Apply it twice daily for optimal results. It's easy to use on various body parts, including hard-to-reach areas, and can be covered with makeup or sunscreen. See noticeable improvements in just 4 to 8 weeks. With consistent use, even old scars can become less visible and blend better with your natural skin tone. What we like? It's perfect for on-the-go scar treatment. It's just as effective as the larger size, but more portable. If you're looking for a convenient and budget-friendly option, this is ideal. What people say? The gel is improving the appearance of the scar already. It has faded and scar tissue is way less noticeable. It goes on clear, I did not notice a smell. It seems to rest on the skin in a sort of filmy layer that you can see shine in the light sometimes. Number 3. ScarAway Kit. This kit provides a complete solution for various scar types. It combines silicone sheets and gel for effective scar treatment and prevention. These non-surgical scar strips are designed to treat and prevent scars from injuries, burns, surgeries, and more. They're gentle yet effective. It uses advanced silicone technology, the #1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors. This helps to make scars softer, flatter, and less noticeable. The silicone sheets hydrate and soften the skin, minimizing redness, itching, and discomfort associated with scars. It's a simple, yet effective treatment. Each sheet is self-adhesive and water-resistant, lasting up to 7 to 10 days. They're lightweight and easy to use for convenient scar treatment. It's effective on both new and old scars. With consistent use, you'll see improvement in the appearance of your scars. Individual results may vary. What we like? It combines the benefits of both gel and sheets. This kit offers a comprehensive approach to scar treatment. If you want a combined treatment method for faster results, this is the one for you. What people say. The gel is improving the appearance of the scar already. It has faded and scar tissue is way less noticeable. It goes on clear, I did not notice a smell. It seems to rest on the skin in a sort of filmy layer that you can see shine in the light sometimes. Number 2. ScarAway Silicone Sheets. Say hello to ScarAway, your new secret weapon for scar treatment and prevention. It's designed to help improve the appearance of scars, leaving your skin looking smoother and healthier. These sheets are made with medical-grade silicone, a proven effective material for scar treatment. It's gentle on your skin and helps to create a moist environment for optimal healing. Whether it's from surgery, a burn, or other injury, it helps treat a variety of scars, including hypertrophic and keloid scars. It's versatile and can be used on many areas of the body. Applying them is simple and convenient. Just place it over your scar and go about your day. They're water-resistant, so you can even shower with them on. Rest assured, they are latex-free and paraben-free, making it a safe and gentle option for sensitive skin. It's designed to help you achieve the best possible results without irritation. Each package contains 10 clear sheets, providing you with ample treatment for your scars. This ensures you have enough to complete your treatment plan effectively. What we like. It's virtually invisible under clothing or makeup. These sheets are clinically proven to improve scar appearance. If you prefer a discreet treatment option, this is perfect for you. What people say. I had a double mastectomy and this product was suggested by my plastic surgeon during recovery. I have been using it for a few months now and I think they have helped make my scars soft and pliable like the surrounding tissue. What a difference once I switched over to this clear tape. It's true that it can get messed up easily, so you have to be smart and patient putting it on. Just peel back a small amount and remove the backing as you go. You can leave this tape on, and shower with it, until it starts to lose its adhesive. I'd say it's good for about 2 weeks. Most importantly, it has done an incredible job healing my scar, which is now a lot less red and a lot flatter. I have been dealing with a knee surgery scar and have tried several scar tape brands. This particular scar tape, however, although pricey, did more in 24 hours for my scar than any of the others I've tried. It both flattened the scar and reduced the redness. Moreover, the directions state that it can be worn for a week plus. Number 1. ScarAway Silicone Sheets. Say goodbye to unsightly scars. These silicone sheets offer a non-surgical solution for reducing the appearance of scars from C-sections and other surgeries. It uses advanced silicone technology, the number 1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors. This clinically proven method helps to make scars softer, flatter, and less noticeable. These comfortable sheets are breathable, flexible, and washable. They hydrate and soften the skin, minimizing redness, itching, and discomfort. Each sheet provides up to 7 to 10 days of durable coverage. Their ultra-thin design contours to your body for optimal comfort and easy removal. You'll see results in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. They're effective on both new and old scars, improving their texture and color with consistent use. What we like. It's specifically designed for C-section scars. These reusable sheets provide long-lasting treatment. If you've had a C-section and want comfortable, long-lasting treatment, this is your best bet. What people say. The sheets are soft, flexible, and fit comfortably on the skin without any irritation. I appreciated that they stayed in place throughout the day, even during my regular activities. Within a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a significant reduction in the redness and size of my scar. The area feels smoother, and the scar is much less noticeable. I had an 8-inch scar that stayed moist and texture was improved by wearing the silicone sheets. The scar has lightened significantly and I will be using the silicone sheets for several more weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.